In this video, we'll model an interior space. First, use the Move tool to move the scale figure out of the way. Then with the Rectangle tool, make the room's perimeter. I'm typing in 15 foot, 10 foot for its size. And then I'm push-pulling it up 8 feet. I would like it to have a sloped ceiling. So, use the protractor tool. Click on one corner, then the other, then either click that guideline in place or type a number. I've typed 15. Then trace over that guideline. Next, push-pull so it has volume. Erase the lines that are left over because they break up the face. This is called healing the model. Then erase the front face by selecting, right-clicking, and choosing Erase. Now you have an interior perspective, and you could print this up and use it as an underlay for hand rendering. Let's bring in a window component. At Window Components, if you click on the Component Sampler under Favorites, that brings up a bunch of things, but specifically we want a double hung window. I don't see that here. So click in the screen, type double hung window, and this takes you to the online 3D warehouse. Scroll through the selections. Click on what you want, takes you to the warehouse, and then download it into your model. Then click it on the wall. It cuts right through. Components will cut through single-faced walls. If you make double-faced walls, they do not cut through them. Now let's splash some paint on the model. Click the paint bucket, scroll to the colors collection, choose one and click it onto the model. Now let's find a floor finish. There's wood, there's tile. That tile texture looks good. Click it on. Now if you click on the house, that shows you all the colors and textures in this model. Click on the tile or whatever texture you want, and that brings up an editing box. We will edit this tile to make its tiling size larger. We can also change the value of its color and reset it to bring back the original. Back to Window Components again. And this time, let's look for some furniture. Let's type in chair. Brings us to the warehouse again. That chair looks good. Click, download it into the model. Look for the on-face inference to make sure that it is on the floor, not stuck in it or hovering above it. Now let's find a table. That one looks good. Download it. And click it in place again, looking for the on-face inference. When you collapse the dialog boxes and move them together, they will stick together, which makes managing them easy. Now I clicked on the Rotate tool. Well, actually, I have to select the item before I can rotate it. and then I can move it around.